Hello dear students. So today I will continue the numericals on efficiency of a transformer on case 2. So the question is, a 50 kVA transformer has an efficiency of 98% at full load and 0.8 power factor and an efficiency of 96.9% at 1/4 of its full load at unity power factor. Calculate PI and PCU, means iron losses and copper losses. Also calculate the efficiency at full load 0.85 power factor. See here, so if you want to calculate the efficiency at any load, full load or any other load, so we must know the value of PI and PCU. So that first we need to calculate the PI and PCU. So what is the given data? The kVA rating of the transformer is given, that is 50 kVA, and efficiency of 98% at full load. See, the efficiency is already given, that is, I will write on the efficiency formula at full load condition. This is the full load condition. The formula is VA cos pi divided by VA cos pi plus PI plus PCU for full load. And how much it is given? 98%. So this LHS side is already given. So 98% means, so 98% means 98 by 100. So already 100 is multiplied here, so simply write the 98 here. So 98 is equal to VA means 50 kVA, 50 into 10 to the power 3 into cos pi. How much it is given? Efficiency of 98% at full load, 0.8 power factor, means the power factor at full load is 0.8 whole divided by 50 into 10 to the power 3 into 0.8 plus PI, we don't know the value of PI, so PCU as it is, into 100. Or you can keep that 98 by 100 means you can get the 0.98, so it becomes easy to simplify. 0.98, 98 divided by 100, you will get 0.98. So now I will bring this to LHS side, denominator term. So 9.98 is multiplied with 50 into 10 to the power 3 into 0.8 plus PI plus PCU is equal to, this is as it is in the RHS side, 50 into 10 to the power 3 into 0.8. So simplify this, what will get? So PI plus PCU plus, so 50 into 10 to the power 3 into 0.8, you will get 40,000. Okay, as it is equal to, this is 40,000. So this is a multiplication, so it becomes division. So next step is, so we got 40,816.32, this simplification. So now this is in positive plus additive, so bring it to as I said, you will get the negative. So you will get PI plus PCU is equal to 40,816.32 minus 40,000. So you will get PI plus 816.32. This is your equation number 1. Okay. So now this is over up to this point. Now an efficiency of 96.9% at 1/4 of its full load at unity power factor. So from this you will get another equation. So second is 96.9% means 96.9 by 100, you will get is equal to, see here, 1/4 of its full load means 25, 1/4 means 25, 25% of its full load. The meaning of this is 25% of full load. So if you want to calculate N, 1/4 divided by 1, you can do, will get 0.25, or N is equal to 25 by 100, then also will get 0.25. So it means that N value is 0.25. So 1/4 means 25%. So 0.25 into VA means 50 kVA, 50 into 10 to the power 3 into cos pi is, unity is given. See here, 1/4 of its full load at unity power factor means the power factor value is 1, cos pi is equal to 1 divided by 0.25 into 50 into 10 to the power 3 into 1 plus Pi as it is plus n square PCU. The formula is n square means 0.25 whole square into PCU. Into 100 means already we have taken here. So 96.9% by 100. So you'll get, so this will get 0.969. This numerator 12,500. This is 12,500. Pi as it is. 0.25 whole square means 0.0625 PCU as it is. So now cross multiply this. So you will get Pi plus 0.0625 PCU plus 12,500. This whole equation is equal to 12,500. This value, if it comes here, it will be division. So 0.969. So you will get, so 12,899.89. So Pi plus 0.0625 PCU is equal to, this is plus, so bring it to RHS side, you will get negative 899.89 minus 12,500. You will get, so you will get 399.89. This is your equation number 2. So now equation number 1 and equation number 2, equating 1 and 2, so you will get the Pi and PCU values. So plus PCU means nothing but 1 PCU minus 0.0625 PCU. You will get, so after the simplification you will get 1 PCU minus 0.0625 PCU is equal to 0.9375 PCU. 816.32 minus 399.89, you will get 416.43. So 416.43 divided by 0.9375, you will get 444.192 watts. This is the value of PCU. Now substitute this PCU value in equation number 1 or 2, you will get the Pi value. So you will get the Pi to substitute in the equation number 1. Pi plus PCU value is 344 is equal to 8.6.32. So this minus 344.192 will get the 372.128 watts. So Pi is equal to 372.12 and PCU is equal to 344.192 watts. So these are the Pi and PCU values. So next is we need to calculate, after calculation of Pi PCU, efficiency at efficiency at full load 0.85 power factor. The final step is, this is the formula to calculate the efficiency at full load condition. VA means 50 kVA, 50 into 10 to the power 3. Cos pi is given 0.85 divided by 50 into 10 to the power 3 into 0.85 plus Pi. We have done the calculation. So after simplification you will get 42,500 in the numerator and denominator 42,500 Pi PCU as it is, and this denominator you will get 43,316.31 into 100. So this simplification will get 98.11%. That is efficiency at full load condition.